So this is an off the cuff video because I just got off a call with a brand who had absolutely no idea which angles to focus on in their ads. When we were talking about their creative and I was asking them, so which angles perform best, like which ads, which angles are really crushing it for your products? They had absolutely no idea. And this is not a small brand, this is a large brand. They should really know. And honestly, this happens quite frequently. Even some brands who are spending a lot of money on ads, they don't really have any research backing the ads, which means that finding a winner is not a predictable, consistent process. They're basically throwing spaghetti at the wall and seeing what sticks, which is not what you want to do when you're trying to build a profitable, predictable, sustainable brand. You need to have a grasp on all of the inputs. You need to know exactly what's going on so you control the growth of the brand. So these brands, then they wonder, why can't we make more ads that scale? It's because you don't know what you should be saying in your ads. So I thought I'd make this quick video and just talk about creative research very quickly, because there is such an easy way that you can do research that doesn't even take that long. And a lot of the times, this is the best research method that you can do, even though it is the fastest method. Now, before I get into it, I just want to say that obviously research is the most important thing to get right if you want to make ads that scale. You need to know exactly what your customers need to hear. Once you get the research right and you've got a list of angles that you know convert for your products, it is so easy to take them and mold them into a massive range of ads. You can do UGC, TikTok, street interview, founder, whatever the ad concept is that you want to do. Once you've got the list of winning angles, you can turn them into an infinite amount of ads that all say something similar but in a different way. And that's how you can predictably and consistently make ads that scale. So let's get into this research method. And the method that I'm talking about is review mining and tallying. The first thing we're going to touch on is tallying the reviews. And I don't really see this talked about a lot, but I've been doing it for so many years now with my own brands and clients' brands. All you're going to do is you're going to go through 100 or 200 reviews. You don't need to go through more reviews than that, and just stop if things start getting too repetitive and you start hearing the same things over and over again. So you're going to go through 100 reviews, and what you're going to do is you're going to read the reviews and you're going to manually take the angles that you read and put them in a spreadsheet, in a column or a row, and you're going to do that for every single angle. So for example, if you are reading the reviews of an electrolyte supplement and one of the things you keep reading is carnivore, put carnivore in one column. And then you keep reading it's all natural, put all natural in another column. And then every time you read a review that mentions carnivore, you put a 1 in the box. Every time you read a review that mentions all natural, you put a tally in the box. After 100 reviews, it's going to be very clear which benefits or pain points or features your customers are talking about the most. And then you're going to sort those angles in descending order. So which angles do customers mention most? If the number one thing that customers mention, if 50% of the reviews mention carnivore, obviously you should go make some ads about carnivore. So the next thing you're going to do, once you've got those angles ranked in descending order, you're going to find the best reviews for each particular angle. Let's just use carnivore as an example. You're going to find the best review, the review that uses the most descriptive words, the most emotionally driven words. You're going to use this review and you're going to turn it into an ad almost verbatim. So if this review said, I have been on the carnivore diet for 4 years now, and I have tried every single electrolyte mix. They all taste horrible. None of them actually worked. I never felt like I had any energy until I tried this. You're going to take that review, you're going to turn it into a creative brief, almost verbatim. Just follow the script, follow exactly what this customer said, send it to a creator, get them to create it, and chances are you're going to have a winning ad on your hands because you have used research and data to choose, firstly, the angle that customers talk about most, and secondly, the exact words and problems and benefits that they are getting from your product. This is the easiest way to make data driven, researched back ads that convert and that really speak to your customers. There is no reason that you as a brand should not do this. It takes half an hour maximum to do all of this research. Please use data and research to make your ads. You will be able to consistently make ads that scale because you know exactly why you are saying whatever you're saying in the ads. If you've never done research before, don't overcomplicate it. Just pull a spreadsheet up, pull your reviews up, read through them, tally them, choose the best one, pick the best review, create a winning brief. There is no reason that you should not have an ad account full of winning ads. Give this method a shot and let me know how it goes.